Hi there, my name is Olivia, and today I will show you how to e-sign a contract in the client portal in CoachVantage. From your dashboard, once you receive a contract from your coach, the contract can be found by clicking My Coach on the left-hand side of your screen and then selecting Contracts from the drop-down menu. Click on the desired contract that has a blue Sign button, such as this one. You will also see the status shown as awaiting your signature. When you click the blue Sign button, you will be taken to the contract. Here, there will be fields for you to click on and enter your information, such as your signature, the date, etc. For example, in this contract, when I scroll down, I can see that this requires my signature. So I will then click on the signature field, and a pop-up window will be displayed. Here, I can draw my signature using my mouse. Since we are currently in the fake client portal of Ian Lee, I will write out Ian Lee's signature here. You can press clear if you would like to retry drawing your signature. Press save when finished. Now, I can see that the name field has already been filled out. So lastly, I will insert the date by simply clicking on the date field and then clicking on the date of today. Remember to press save. After filling out the fields of this contract, press complete in the top right-hand corner. Great job! You have successfully filled out this contract. Please note that from this window, you can also download or preview a contract by selecting the three-dot button menu. And that's all you need to know about how to e-sign a contract in the client portal in CoachVantage. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.